Wait 1 second.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. And same to her.
It's just we have 2 phones and it's on his channel and my channel. So first me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Glory Slime. And today forgot. I have a special guest, my brother. He's gonna help me make some slime. He doesn't even know how to make some
I've never
slime.
done it, but I've
not
touched it
even
before.
So your turn. Go on yours.
Okay, welcome back to another video, and you know, I'm a special guest. I can't say she's a special guest. So.
Well, I'm a slime expert. So guys, let's just get right into it.
Yep.
So the items that you'll be needing are
a gallon. Well, you don't need a gallon.
You don't need a gallon.
You need a gallon. Glue.
So glue.
We have a gallon though.
I might actually make a part 2 because sometimes it just ends my phone because it's a iPhone 5C and it ends random times. So that's why. So glue, any type of glue. What else? Oh, baking soda. I can't do it because I already opened it. So baking soda.
Yep, right there.
Measuring scoops, or what are they called? Measuring
teaspoons
or tablespoons. Any mixing spoons. We don't have plastic spoons. We ran out, so we just use these.
Knives.
They're on your side.
I
And then these 2. Oh wait. And then contact lens solution. Any type. It doesn't really matter. And then this is just an option if you want to add glitter or any paint or dye you have. So this is the ones I used. And it is metallic.
Yes, it's metallic.
So guys, let's get right into the video.
Yes. Okay. So now this baby.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour.
I'm gonna have to hold it because
Okay, I'm gonna tell you
very heavy. It's a gallon. Ooh, it looks milk. Looks like
Stop.
We're gonna have to share the glue. I mean this one.
Well,
when we're done.
it's mostly mine, but he could tell me when. Okay, so when you have that, you're gonna be adding 1. I think it was a 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of. Or is it this one? No, 1 teaspoon. It's 1 teaspoon for sure.
How are we gonna fit that in?
No, you don't fit it.
Oh.
You pour it. What are you? Guys, no, my sister, she just really wants to be in the video, but I just can't because we have no space. Okay, so that would be enough.
Yeah, it's not even that much.
So, yeah, and then you pour it in.
Pour it in, and
then we're gonna mix it. So mix it really good. And it's not going to change color, of course. It's just going to still be white. But it depends what type of glue you have. If it's a clear or any...
She's getting in.
Oh, no, she's getting in.
She wants to see.
Okay, so after you did that, so the fun part is adding the dye you have. It's really fun.
Crap. That would have gotten.
Thank you for saying it. Okay.
Mine's like something. I want to do the honors. How much?
Okay, you add like a little bit. Okay, that's good. Okay,
I did it so clean. Oh, that's cool.
No, it's gonna turn a little bit light, and then I'm gonna add more. Cause right now it's like a brown color. It's like it's gonna turn metallic once you add more and more each time. Over here, Danny. Do on your side. What are you doing?
I'm trying to help you on that side.
Yeah.
Okay. It's very milky. That's for sure. Even though it doesn't.
Guys, don't mind my sister. Like I said, she's just crying because she wants to be in the video really bad.
But she always wants
like
to be
I said,
in the video.
we do not have space. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah. And on my side. There you go.
Because for white glue, it doesn't really work as well as the clear. I think we have to add a little bit more. It's like a foundation color. If you even know what that is. Yeah, knives are not really good.
It's like,
I need to add a lot. Whoa, I think that's gonna work.
Are you seeing this, guys? Let's show them.
Okay, so guys, this is what we have so far.
And for mine, it looks like chocolate pudding. It's not.
I know.
Very light chocolate pudding.
Okay, one more.
I don't know if this is loud or not.
Okay, that's it.
That's what it is.
So guys, we don't want to make it so much paint because you know sometimes it sticks and sometimes not. It never sticks.
No, I gotta stand up. She's playing with my chair now. Okay.
I like standing up.
Yeah, but you're not showing your face. I am.
Because you're so short, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so that looks pretty much metallic. Or should we add more, a little bit more? No? No? Okay, so guys, the best part I love doing is the glitter. So I got this pink or gold, rose gold glitter. Whatever.
See? Wait,
I like being it crunchy, so.
Here, no wait, give me some. I didn't get to do it.
Dude, just mix it. Mix it for now. Whoa. We're gonna show you guys right now. We're gonna add more. Just wait. Look, Lodi.
Lodi, mira.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, she likes it.
Yeah, you can see little specks of the glitter.
Can I put it in?
Yeah. Dude, not so much.
That was kind of a little.
We want to make the glitter show, so that's what our goal of this slime.
It looks like chocolate pudding. No joke, chocolate pudding right now. Oh, that was a lot.
Yeah, that has to be God. It looks like it's not gonna show, guys.
What, do I have to put the whole thing?
Hey, I need a Sharpie, a black one.
I don't have no Sharpie.
Black one.
Can this one work?
You see? Is it a Sharpie?
No.
No.
I don't want to waste the glitter. But... Okay, that's good.
Here, you're a B.
Okay, my brother's gonna go real quick, so I'm just gonna take both of channels. Yeah, I took over. Go let her in. Yeah, guys, this is not looking as I planned it was gonna be. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now after this is the update.
It still looks like chocolate pudding.
Gosh, I'm kind of disappointed, but